Good morning, lovers. It's Friday morning. It's karaoke in a car time. And I've been doing a lot of older songs. And this song is still old, but it's in the 80s. And I hope you enjoy it. It's a pretty cool song. I used to dance to it a lot in the limelight. I had a lot of fun in the limelight. Check it out. If you don't like it, you know, up your...
Don't ever give your heart to a stranger, and tell your secrets to a friend, but put your heart in total danger. They all desert you in the end. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you grow. They say that nothing lasts forever, and even true love turns to pain. Don't trust your feelings to a stranger. Don't wanna go through this again. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you grow. Love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you grow. Don't ever give your heart to a stranger. Don't ever think that you can go on. Put your heart in total danger. They turn around and then they're gone. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you grow. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you grow. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you grow. The more you live, the more you love.
I dig it. You dig it? I dig it. You don't dig it? I dig it. All right, have a great day out there. And always remember, keep your head to the down and the down to the ups.